Hello class, and this is the class for the class 10th maths, and in this video lecture we are discussing about the problem of student, and the student of 10th B Tamanna asks a question. And now let's see the question. The question is, if the quadratic equation px square minus 2 root 5 px plus 15 is equal to 0 has to equal root, then find the value of p. Okay, and for solving this, let's have a recap. Now for solving this, we have standard equation of quadratic polynomial, that x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here d, this is discriminant, this is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, this is a term we can say it is the discriminant, and which is equal to b square minus 4ac, and the value of g we have depend the roots of on the decision of root, whatever the roots are imaginary, equal or unequal. Then if the value of d is greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0, then roots are real, and if the value is less than 0, then roots are imaginary. ओके, जब भी वैल्यू आपका d इज ग्रेटर देन 0 तो रूट आपका रियल होगा, एंड d that is equal to b square minus 4ac. okay, when it is greater than or equal to 0, then it is real. हाँ, अगर लेस देन 0 का बेटा वैल्यू b स्क्वायर माइनस 4, देन इट इज इमेजिनरी. एंड बेटा इसके लिए आपके दो केस बन रहे हैं. इफ d इज इक्वल टू 0, देन रूट्स आर रियल एंड इक्वल. ओके, तो roots are real or equal. When d is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. Now we have a case that this equation has to equal root. Then अगर बेटा this equation has to equal root, that is d is equal to 0. What is d? d is equal to b square minus 4ac. d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Use this condition and solve the question. Okay, now what is b, a, c? Compare this in this equation. a, b, c are these, and compare this equation and find the value of a, b, c. Then by comparing this equation, we have find a is equal to p, and b is equal to minus 2 root 5p, and c is equal to 15. Then put the value of a, b, c in this equation. You are getting that b, that is minus 2 root 5p, minus 2 root 5p square minus 4. The value of a is p and c is 15. Okay, that is equal to 0. Now solve this. 2 square, that is 4 into root 5 square root free हो जाएगा. You are getting 4 into 5, that is 20 p square minus 4 into 15, that is 60p. Okay, that is 60p is equal to 0. Then you can common pp, so 20p can be taken as a common. You are getting p minus 30 equal to, p minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, then you get the value of p. but this is p, यहाँ this but इस नंबर का उधर मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे, that is 0. then you are getting p minus 3 is equal to 0. now the value of p is equal to 3. this is your answer. So you can solve in this way. And now let's come on our topic. We are teaching about the polynomial, and here we are discuss about, now we will going to discuss about the cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? When the degree of polynomial is 3, that is cubic polynomial. So you will understand what is degree of polynomial. But the degree of polynomial, the highest power of the an equation, that is the degree of polynomial. Now here the highest power is 3, so it is third degree of polynomial, that is a cubic polynomial. Now let's discuss about it. Let f of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, where a does not equal to 0. Then alpha, beta and gamma be the root. Let alpha, beta, gamma with the root of this polynomial or 0 of this polynomial. Then sum of alpha beta is given by minus b by a, that is the coefficient of s square by a. Okay, the coefficient of, you can write also coefficient of s square, coefficient of s square upon coefficient of s cube. Okay, and minus with the sign minus. And now the sum of the product of root taken 2 at a time, then alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha is c by a. So c is the coefficient of s upon coefficient of s cube. Okay, now the product of root alpha beta gamma is the constant term upon coefficient of s cube, so minus t by a. Now this is the relationship between the roots of the polynomial and the constant of the polynomial. Now if the roots of polynomial are given, then we have to find the equation of polynomial. So this is the formula, that is k times x cube. Then the required equation is f of s is equal to k, k0 any constant real number, then s cube minus alpha beta sum of root s square plus alpha beta, beta gamma sum of the root of product at taken as 2 at a time, then alpha beta, beta gamma, then gamma alpha plus x minus alpha beta gamma product of root. So this is the required equation when the roots are given. So you can find this value and put this value in this equation, you are getting the equation of cubic polynomial. Now come to the another topic. Now taken a biquadratic polynomial. In the biquadratic polynomial, the degree of polynomial is 4. Okay, when the degree of polynomial 4, then the polynomial became a biquadratic polynomial. Then let alpha, if this is the biquadratic, then it has 4 roots, 4 zeros. Then let the 0 be alpha, beta and gamma. Then for this we are doing same procedure. For sum of root is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to beta minus b upon a, minus b upon a. So what is b? B is the coefficient of s cube upon s is coefficient of s to power of 4. And now when alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma डेल्टा एंड डेल्टा अल्फा इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा सी बाई ए सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट एट गिवन एट 2 टाइम okay 2 at a time. When the sum of product of 0 is taken 3 at a time, it became alpha beta gamma delta and gamma delta alpha, gamma delta alpha plus alpha beta delta, alpha beta and delta, alpha beta and delta. Then it is minus d by a. What is d? D is the coefficient of x upon s to power 4. And now product of root alpha beta gamma delta is e by a. Okay, this is e by a. Now if you have given the following equation, so you also in this week you will write the equation of for the biquadratic polynomial also. Now taken a question, exercise 2.2. And the first question is 2s cube plus x square minus 13s plus 16 is equal to 0. Then we have to find the product of, this is the cubic polynomial. Now we have to find the product of roots. Then product of alpha beta gamma, you are also know in the this is the product of root alpha beta gamma is 16 by 2. Now the constant coefficient upon 2. So this is 16 by 2. This is your product of root. And this is equal to 8. Now solve the question and exercise. Ask you for problem whatever you have done by exercise now. Okay, thank you.